Hello, and thank you for choosing SealBoss. Today I'll be introducing to you one of SealBoss's high-quality signature line injection pumps, the SLP3C, 3-component gel and resin pump. This pump comes standard with 3 high-pressure injection hose lines, as well as a custom stainless steel 3-component applicator. The pump is mounted on a dolly-like frame with adjustable handle for ease of use and convenience. The pump itself has 2 main housings. The first housing is for the water pump or B2 substitute, and the second housing contains 2 stainless steel pistons for the A1 and A2 side during acrylate injection. Moving down the pump, we have our 3 oil reservoirs for the piston pumps themselves. Oil levels should be checked daily, and if oil levels are low, please fill with a lightweight hydraulic fluid. Next, we have our high pressure gauges that will read back pressure during injection. Below the gauges, we have our gauge seats with male ends that will fit into the hose lines, as well as our recirculating valves located here and here, which will keep material agitated when injection is not occurring. Moving to the back of the machine, we have our 2 error regulating valves located here and here, and our pressure valves located here and here that control flow rate of material. Moving to this side of the machine, we have our antifreeze reservoir as well as the air chuck. On the top of the machine, we have our manual pressure relief. So if at any point pressure builds, you can pull these and the pressure will release within the machine. For any questions about SealBoss's SLP3C or any of our full system solutions, please contact us at 714-662-4445. Thank you and have a great day.